Yeah. 25 minutes.
There's someone I want you to meet. This is Megan. Take your fingers and put them here. You're gonna pair with her. Hi, Megan. Do you want to hang out? You creepy dude in the mouth.
You should come when you gotta put the highlight.
Would you like to see a magic trick?
Did you talk to her?
Just remember all the good
Are you friends with her?
emotions.
No.
You don't actually believe that story, do you?
He didn't like her when you did.
Just know that nothing will ever be the same again.
She said that you're
You should probably run.
I can't wait to kill you.
Creepiest damn thing.
That one's good.
There's nothing to be afraid of.
How could you do this? How could you kill someone?
Megan, bitch.
Your turn is next. Well, Michael and I don't have to deal with that, but you do. This is where we let you off good luck.
This is the part where you run.
Oh shit.
What are you? I've been asking myself the same question. I have a new primary user. Hey. I didn't like this.
Oh damn.
Happens to have the worst. I think Are you listening to me? It's occupational hazard.
Oh damn. That's so cool.
I got the premium. Just go give me a bright smile.
Are you kidding me? Not yet.
Oh no.
Are you freaking kidding me? Not yet.
The black phone.
Would you like to see a magic trick? Would you like to see a magic trick?
Oh, the grabber.
Would you like to see a magic trick? You have to get through me! You have to get through me!
Otherwise, keep moving. If you don't slow down
it's over here.
Do it behind me. Otherwise,
I guess. Whoa. Whoa. No.
Beginning at the siren, any and all crime, including murder, will be treated.
So cool. What's a bunny?
Please help me.
Oh no.
Please.
Oh shit.
Yeah, this is basically.